Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So this is the second part of HTML tutorials. In this video I discuss about what is HTML. Basically HTML is known as a markup language but not a programming language. HTML is a language which is used to create web documents or pages. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Use of a set of markup text. We create web documents or pages. In this HTML code, we use different types of text. So we can say that creating a web document is depend on HTML text because we use text to create web documents. So now we have discussed about what is HTML text. HTML text which is used in HTML code. HTML text defines HTML elements which is an individual component of an HTML document or pages. It is clear to you when we practically code in editors. The keywords surrounded by the angle brackets because suppose this is a paragraph, this is the paragraph text and which is starting text, and this is the elements parts between the starting and ending. This is the ending text of paragraph. So in this paragraph text we can declare different types of paragraph in HTML. Okay, HTML text normally comes in page. So there must be a starting text and a closing text. Suppose this is the paragraph text which is a starting text and this is the closing text of paragraph. But there is some text which cannot close themselves. Line break text. This is known as line break text. This has the self-closing. This is self-closing line break text. That means this text have no closing text. So this is the list of some common text in HTML. There are different types of text. You can see here, this is paragraph text, headline text, this is used for link, this is used for image, this is unordered listed, and this is list item, this is used for table tag, forum, input, button, line break for this is division, this is now HTML tag, this is stop. Not all this, there are more tags in HTML which is used to create web page. So we need to follow these steps, 4 steps to create a web page. The 4 steps is, first one is use a text editor or IDE to create your HTML documents. My first video is based on text editor, you can watch. And second one is add elements, tags, attributes, etc. Then save the file with a .html extension. And fourth one is open it up in a browser, but there is no need to server. Here we can see this is the basic code of HTML. This is the basic structure of a HTML code. By using this format, we start our HTML code. First, you can see this is the doc type HTML declaration. Then we start from HTML tag. Then second one is head tag, and we used head tags here. At the middle of the head tags, we use a title tags, where we gonna give a title of our web page in this tag, title tag. And the another tag is body tag. This is body, starting body tag, and this is the closing body tag. Between this, we use our HTML code to create a structure of a web page. So this is the very basic structure of HTML code. Using this structure, we code our HTML in editor. Tutorial, we jumped into the text editor where we gonna start our practical. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone. Please subscribe.